Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Monday, December 29th, 2025. We'll be covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes closed down today. Despite maintaining a strong positive trend, the S&P 500 index ended at 6,906.96, dropping 22.99 points. The Dow 30 index and the Nasdaq Composite Index also fell, both closing down for the second consecutive day. Market breadth reflected a downward trend today, with decliners outpacing advancers across key indexes. In particular, the Nasdaq Composite Index saw 2,152 declines compared to 831 advances, and the S&P 400 Midcap Index similarly showed more declines, signaling a broad weakness despite the overall strong trend. Despite today's declines, the key indexes still hold strong year-to-date gains, led by the Nasdaq Composite Index with a year-to-date total return of over 21.56%. Meanwhile, the Russell 2000 Index fell 0.57% today, but has gained nearly 13% YTD. In sectors, the energy and real estate sectors performed well. Energy rose by 0.94%, representing a breakout from 3 days of sideways movement. Real estate closed higher for the third straight day, despite a mixed negative trend overall. Among the worst performers, the basic materials sector dropped by 0.96%, although it continues a strong positive trend. Consumer, cyclical, and financial services sectors also closed down, highlighting the market's mixed performance today. Globally, South Korea led gains among ETFs, closing up 3% and marking its seventh consecutive daily gain with upward volatility. Taiwan followed suit, also having extended up for 7 days despite a mixed trend. Focusing on returns, South Korea's year-to-date total return nears 94%, showcasing remarkable strength. Meanwhile, Israel maintains a strong positive trend with a year-to-date total return of over 42.9%, signaling robust growth in the global market landscape. In the technology sector, Apple closed higher at 273.76, gaining 0.36. The recent trend shows a mixed positive tendency, boosted by an upward breakout after being flat for 3 days. Alphabet declined by 0.57 to 314.39, marking its third consecutive day downward in a robust positive trend. Amazon also saw a dip, down 0.45 to 232.7, despite displaying a very strong upward trajectory. Meta Platforms fell sharply, dropping 4.60 to close at 658.69, with a downward breakout after a 3-day consolidation. Lastly, NVIDIA experienced a decrease, down 2.31 to 188.22, though it continues to show a very strong positive trend, having remained flat the past 3 days.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is down to 87,160.4, dropping 717.25. It maintains a very strong negative trend. Ethereum is breaking downward after 4 days of stagnation, currently priced at 2,930.9, down 18.83. BNB is at 852.90 with a decline of 6.40. Continuing on crypto, Solana stands at 123.21, losing 1.95, highlighting a very strong negative trend. Dogecoin remains in a very strong negative trend too, trading at a fractional loss. Meanwhile, Dogecoin has been flat for 5 days, acknowledging its downturn pattern for 2 days straight.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. US dollar euro is currently at 0.8491, down 0.0007. The US dollar British pound is at 0.7400, dropping 0.0010. Both pairs display a very strong negative trend over recent sessions. Meanwhile, US dollar Japanese yen stands at 156.0220, with a mixed positive trend, but currently heading down for 2 consecutive days.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew. Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.